I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing usable footage and preserving a backup. Import your clip, set project resolution and frame rate, then immediately duplicate the video layer so you can compare before and after. Once duplicated, select the top layer and move the playhead to the exact frame where you want the first color change. Make sure blending is normal and no masks are active. This ensures your adjustments won't accidentally alter the original layer and gives you a clean place to work. With your top layer selected, add color effects. Curves to shape contrast, hue shift for broad color tint, and color balance to target highlights, midtones, and shadows. Start with small adjustments, lift mids or push highlights so changes remain natural. Once you see the direction you want, use keyframes on each parameter to animate timing. This lets you shift color gradually across a cut or scene. If changing mood, ease keyframes to avoid abrupt jumps. Play back frequently to check interplay between effects and adjust stacking order when necessary. Finish by rendering a short preview and inspecting it on multiple displays to confirm color intent. If something looks off, disable effects one at a time to isolate the issue. Often a single effect or mask causes shifts. Also verify your project color space and device display settings. Alight Motion's preview can differ from exported files. Once satisfied, export using your chosen codec and color depth and save a project backup. If problems persist, reset that effects parameters or recreate the duplicate layer and reapply effects step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.